Recently, I watched a video on the internet when the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Tajuddin, the new Speaker, on the day they were swearing him in, his second wife was with him. And then when the swearing in ceremony was going on, the first wife, live from nowhere, came and pushed the second wife, not minding the fact that the swearing in ceremony is going on. Now, first of all, if I want to say something about this matter, I will say that I blame the speaker, because before you come and put the house of representative in order, you have to put your house in order, your first house, because that is your main house. Now, if anything happens in that house, it will affect this house that you are entering. You will first of all, you know that your first wife has the character of a tendency of this kind of action. What you should do as a man is that as you are going to this kind of place, go with your first wife. For you to even go with your second wife, if the first wife, anywhere she is, she see on TV that you are standing with the second wife in that kind of ceremony, she will leave everything she is doing around you, scatter the whole party. Look at what she did now. She came there and turned, scatter, pushed the second wife away. Even you, man, the second wife, they say you should follow, you follow. Can't you tell the speaker that, Oga, no, this position, this thing you are taking me to is for madams that are supposed to go. Respect who is there before you. Polygamy is allowed, but for who can handle it? If you cannot handle it, don't do it. Don't you know that trouble can affect us in the House of Representatives? Serious business, you apply to come and push your second wife. I blame the speaker and the second wife. I don't blame the first wife, because that thing is, that occasion is for the first wife. She's the first lady now. You, they call you second wife. You come, all of you that are second wife. You have to reduce the way you run faster than your shadow. Understand boundary, position. Don't fly and go and do like the BP will not fly and go and be the president. No, wait for your time. Even as I'm trying to caution second wife now, some people will watch this video and say, what is this one saying? That does he have two wives? He don't have sense. I agree. I don't have sense, but I am the spice creator. If you listen to what I'm saying, you know I have sense. Some people don't know that this thing happened. Share the video, let them see it. At this point, I don't need to remind you to share the video again. Share the video, let people see what happened. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business. Thank you.